Kristin has dedicated the last 17 years of her life to being a good leader and a good steward of the environment. She is deeply passionate about the work she does, and it just exudes from her. When she comes into the room, she has a presence, people know her.
Bridging the Gap's tree programs are just absolutely incredible because those are things that will last for generations, plural generations.
And we want their roots to grow out.
You know, as Kristin herself has always reminded me that planting a tree has so many benefits for the environment. Those are everything from providing shade for the community to capturing carbon. The urban heat island effect is very real. The number of trees that she has been a part of planting in this community is absolutely astounding.
There's so many reasons why we should have a healthy environment, and who doesn't want clean air, clean water, healthy soil, a nice place to live. Everything I think that Kristin's been working for in her time has been about public health, public safety, and all of us having a nice place to live.
Environment is everything. It's our air, it's our water, it's our soil, it's our housing. And all of these things have the ability to either help make our lives healthier and more prosperous or hurt them, depending on what kind of a state they're in.
You can take everything that people do and all their strengths around issues or even collaboration, but in the end, to run a small not-for-profit successfully, you have to have leadership skills. Working with all the different players, corporate players for fundraising, government in terms of resources and collaboration, and then grassroots groups, bringing them all together, solving problems.
Bridging the Gap is here because of our volunteers that show up and help us get the work done. It's leadership in our organization to bring people to the table, to have those conversations with the community. You can't just do this alone. She has a good ability to identify good partnerships and collaborate with them.
Trying to persuade people with words to change their opinions is not particularly effective. What we find effective is to actually get people out to a location if we can, show them what the problems are, and have them help use their hands to actually make a difference.
They created the Green Stewards program, which has helped us in maintaining a lot of our green infrastructure projects, because you have to have someone who's trained to understand the difference between a plant and a weed. In this project that's coming up along the Blue River, we're investing $5 million in partnership with some really amazing nonprofit organizations like Bridging the Gap, so that not only is that land preserved for a stronger environment, but also for access for hikers and mountain bikers and folks just wanting to get out and experience the outdoors in the middle of the city.
So what I am impressed with the work of Bridging the Gap on energy is really how they've tackled not the easiest part of the sectors. It's the hardest part, because in the homes they're doing, you have to go in and fix a lot of things before you can do efficiency.
Initially, when we were working in housing, we were working on the low-hanging fruit of energy-efficient light bulbs, water-efficient faucet aerators, and things like that, and we still are to this day. But we've been fortunate in the past several years to secure dollars. We're able to go in and do some of those safety-related things that make a home more ready for weatherization.
You know, watersheds don't care about city boundaries. Our air doesn't care about state lines. And I think Kristin and all the work she's done has not just been about what one city should do or one county should do. It's about what we all need to be trying to do.
I'm proud that we've been able to help some of the citizens of Kansas City that needed the most help. I'm proud that we've been able to add some beauty to the streets of Kansas City, and I'm proud that we've been able to keep recycling alive. I'm the proudest of the amazing team of people that we have at Bridging the Gap, and their excellence and their professionalism and their hard work and their dedication their passion.